Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and I know just how difficult it can sometimes be to capture the photos you love when the subject of the picture is moving, such as your pets. So I've teamed up with Samsung KX, their home of innovation, to help you discover new skills, and I'm going to show you my top tips on how to turn 8K footage on your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra into high-res photos. You can do this for many scenarios like family get-togethers, action snapshots, and capturing great shots of your pets. And that's what I'm going to be doing, taking video footage of my cat Dotty and turning them into frameable snaps. So if you're looking to get some great photos from your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's 8K video footage, follow these simple steps. Firstly, of course, you need to capture the 8K video. To do this, open your camera app and head to the video tab. You will then need to click on the settings cog at the top left-hand side and scroll down to the video section. Select rear video size and make sure it is set to 8K. Now Dotty absolutely loves tech too, so she's always camera ready. Now once you've captured your video footage, go to your gallery and select the video you want to capture your stills from. Click play video and scrub through until you find your desired shot. Once you found it, press the photo icon at the top left hand side, and that is as simple as that. Once snapped, you will now have that still shot within your gallery to enjoy.